Come on, thing. Over here, boo boo. Ash, come on. No, aquí na. Come here.
Let me come in. Look at that.
That's the buggy. Oh yeah, someone. I think she hit something. Ma, she don't know. Why you wandering around?
What happened on this thing?
Hey, dang, over here. Come on, pay attention. Hey, dang. No, aquí na. Yaki, no. Huh? What? That's it.
What's the hand?
Okay, let's go back. Come on, let's go back. Ding, come on, let's go back. Let's go back home. Come on, baby. No. Tristan, we go home. Bye-bye. Tristan? What you don't know? You're gonna step on poop, boy. You're gonna step on cat shit. Go. Your shoe broken or oh no, it's good. Come on. No, over here. Tristan. Tristan. No, not over there. No, it's cold, that's why. It's making your brain freeze. That's why you got runny nose.
No, I feel like cold.
Oh, cold? It's winter.
Like my breath. I can't like feel my breath.
Look out, brother. Take ya. Look, don't let that. Don't let your day walk him because he don't listen to daddy.
He loves me.
He's beating those down. He's beating. They think you like it, they think? You love outside. Come on. Come on, they think. What? He's trying to talk. Yeah? Oh, okay. He's like, he can walk by himself. He's a big boy. What's the thing?
He look at everything. Okay, since I red face.
No.
Don't touch people's
Go get
car. Don't touch people's car. Come on, Tristan. No.
Thing.
I made his last red cars.
Come on.
I made his favorite color is red. My favorite color is pink.
He's wearing daddy's jacket when daddy was small.
Yeah.
That jacket is 30-year-old.
30 years old. I could fit that jacket.
Go.
I could put it on.
Go.
You know what I wear there now?
Yeah.
Come on.
Just stay right there.
Mommy car. The mommy car. Mommy car.
Hmm?
Let me car.
Pergilah rumah